Hey peeps, it's Jedd here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, such a pleasure and a privilege to join you. Today we're going to deal with a financial mathematics question, and with that in mind, let's dive straight in. So they've said to us, Mary deposited 25,000 Rand into a savings account with an interest rate of 18% per annum compounded monthly. Mary then withdrew 8,000 Rand from the account 2 years after depositing the initial amount. She then deposited another 4,000 into this account 3.5 years after the initial deposit. What amount will Mary have 5 years after making the initial deposit into this account? So what I would always do is start off with a timeline so that we can see exactly what's going on. So at T0, that's at the start. So T0, we know that Mary deposited 25,000 Rand into this account, okay? And the interest rate for the entire period was 18%. So let's put that 18% once we have put in all of the other amounts that she has withdrawn and deposited over time. So we're told that Mary withdrew 8,000 Rand from the account 2 years after depositing the initial amount. So at T2, we know that Mary withdrew 8,000 Rand, so that becomes quite important. And then finally, we're told that she deposited another 4,000 into this account 3.5 years after the initial deposit. So that is at T3.5, okay? So T3.5, she adds 4,000 Rand into this account. And we're then told that Mary deposited for 5 years. So we need to try and figure out what the amount is going to be at the end of 5 years. We're also told that the interest rate during the entire period is going to be 18%, which is unbelievable, 18% per annum, and that is compounded monthly. Now we've got all the information out in front of us, and we don't have to read this again, so we can dive straight into our question. So we need to try and figure out the A value at the point T5. So A is going to be equal to, now let's look at this first. If we put 25,000 Rand into this account and we grow it up until T5, what would we get? Well, we would write 25,000 Rand times 1 plus 18%, okay, over 12 because it's compounded monthly. And then how many years is that? So it's 60 years, okay? So that's what we would get for that whole period. Now that is what Mary would have at the end if she didn't take away or add into this account. But we need to take those into account as well. So when she subtracted the 8,000 Rand, she didn't only subtract the 8,000 Rand, she also subtracted all of the potential interest she could have earned on that 8,000 Rand. So that would have been the 1 plus the 18% over 12, okay? And that was for a period of 3 years, so that is 36 months, okay? Very good. And then finally, what she did at 3.5 years, very smartly, she put another 4,000 Rand into this account. And she didn't only put 4,000 Rand into the account, she also put in all of the interest that she was potentially going to earn on that 4,000 Rand. So in order to capture that, we're going to say plus the 4,000 Rand that she added. And that's going to be 1 plus the 18%, which is compounded monthly. And that is going to be how many periods? So it's 3.5. So it's 6 months, gets us to 4 years, and then another 12. So that's going to be 18 months that she would have that 4,000 Rand lying in the account. Once we have done that, we can plug all of those numbers into our calculators. Remember, the 18% you put in as 0,18, and that is going to give us a final answer of 52,000 Rand, 52,000 Rand, 636,74 cents. Remember to include your Rand sign and underline the answer so that the teacher and the marker knows exactly where to give you all of those really well-deserved 6 marks. Very special thank you to our sponsor for making this video possible. Remember to check up on them in the description below. Show them some love. If it weren't for them, this video would not have been possible. So thank you so much, and we absolutely so grateful to them. Also, be sure to check out our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. If you can't find the answer to your question, remember you can send us the question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. Until the next time, stay epic.